There it is, the land of the enemy.
It's big.
Well, the bigger they are, the harder they fall.
Are you crazy? Don't you know we're supposed to lose the war?
Well, no one told me.
There's 175 million people in the United States.
Yeah, but there's only 10 million in New York. We'll outsmart them, that's all.
C'est impossible. Where is the Health Department, Customs, Immigration?
Yes, we were just wondering the same thing.
But it is very peculiar.
Hey, see that big building?
Well?
Well, I saw it first. It's mine.
At the table, at the table!
Now then, men, please make sure you've got your passports and health certificates handy.
Sir?
Well, what is it?
The invasion map, sir.